So we're going to be changing a needle. Now, when you change a needle, it may be for a few reasons. One might be that you're going from one fabric to another. You could be doing lace 1 minute and then going on to a leather if you change needles, but that is something that we'll go into a later date. But mainly the normal standard needle that we use, it could have got broken, or it's done so much work the end has become blunt, which will cause thread breaks, and the quality of your embroidery won't be as good. So this is how we change a needle. Screwdriver into the screw that holds the needle in. Now I only do maybe 1/4 of a turn, if that. We don't want to undo it totally because that could cause this to shoot up. So needle in the bin. Now there are 2 sides to the needle and it has to be put into the machine correctly, or else it won't work, it will not sew. As we will explain later, the back and the front. The back has got a groove in the needle and the front has got like a little ridge in it. So make sure that the groove goes to the back, goes through the presser foot, up into where the needle is housed. And then I use a spare needle, put it in the eye of the needle, twist it round, hold it up into position, and then tightly screw it back.